Hi everyone. Welcome back to HS Academy. In this lesson we are going to learn the difference between much and many. Yes my friend, you are very excited to learn this lesson. So, without further ado, let's start it. Well, much and many are called adjective. So, firstly we look at the definition of adjective. An adjective is a word that describes noun or pronoun. Now let's look at the rule, when we use much. We use much if the noun is non-countable or uncountable. That is water and sand. Look at the examples. He doesn't have much time. Here in this sentence, much is used for time which is uncountable. Now let's look at the rule, when we use many. We use many if the noun is countable. That is oranges, children. Look at the example. We own many houses. Here in this sentence many is used for houses which we can count. Now let's look at the examples sentences. Number 1, we spent many days there. Number 2, they didn't earn much profit this year. Number 3, we had so much fun on last weekend. Number 4, I don't have many friends. Number 5, cat doesn't need much milk. Number 6, there are many animals in this zoo. Number 7, do you know how many parrots are there? Number 8, you don't need these many parrots. Now it's time to do some exercise. Complete the following sentences using much or many and comment down below the correct answers. A. He has got blank friends. B. There aren't blank shops in this area. C. How blank does she need? D. My father can speak blank languages. E. They didn't take blank breakfast. F. He has won blank awards. G. We waited for blank hours but he didn't come. H. They don't know blank about physics. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.